What have you beaten me at?
Lots of things.
Well, name one.
Do you have a gold medal?
No.
Oh.
That's a team
Interesting.
sport.
Oh.
That's a team
Oh,
sport.
sorry.
Put your money where your mouth is. How long do you think it's
2
going to
minutes,
take?
probably.
3, 2, 1, go.
You're way more competitive than me.
Yeah, but
I still beat you at everything.
I almost need one more.
Because you got the wrong size.
Legs. Baby's gonna come.
Don't say that to me when I'm in labour. I swear to God.
I don't know why it's so heavy. Just the no sleep gets you.
I don't know how we're going to do it. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
I just want to be fit and strong again.
Operation get you back to rugby ASAP.
you keep complaining about, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do next year. This might help you.
No pressure on you, bro. If you don't manage to shoot anything, just know that it was your fault this forest died.
It's just a different adventure, I think. Because now, everything we do revolves around baby.
I'm not going to be a helicopter mum.
I'm as ready as I can be, I think.
Made me bloody cry.
We've grown our relationship for this moment. Now I'm like, okay, he could be here tomorrow.
I've got that feeling now too.
Oh my gosh!